Hi there everyone, welcome back to a new video, and today we are going to see how to integrate a loading animation on our website like just the one you are seeing on the screen. So this is the website, this is the code we are going to copy. So this is just a simple code, I guess. So let's just select this all and copy. This is our Visual Studio Code, and we are going to create a new index.html file up here, and we're going to paste the code. And here we are seeing some warnings. Let's just see. So we just need to remove this piece of code. This is not really required. Let's just find other lines also, and we're gonna remove that. Yes, now we don't have any warnings. So let's open this up with live server, and this is what we have to now. And just see, whenever I'm like reloading the page, it's not showing us a loading screen. So for the loader, we are gonna search CSS loader on Google and just click on the first link you will get, and we will have just a classic loader. uh, yep, we will have a classic loader in here. I think this is a good one. So let's just copy that and let's just paste that in a style.css. So we have our style.css here. So this is just the thing we need, and this is the CSS, and this is the HTML code we need to paste in our HTML file. So let's just come up here. We're gonna paste the loader just here. This a loader class, and uh, we need to remove this commented code we don't really need. Instead of a bootstrap demo, we are gonna say loading demo, and we're gonna link our CSS file. So let's just tab, and this is our style.css, and this is our style.css. Yeah, our um, this loader is directly linked. So let's just see our loader up here, and we can see the loader up here. So we need to just do some quick fixes here. So we need to wrap this loader in a wrapper. So we're gonna have this loader in here, and we'll have loader class inside of this. Let's save this, and no change in here. So we're gonna open this CSS file, and on here on top we're gonna have something like this. So we'll have a minimum height of 100 px and a width of how much, that's gonna be 100%, and that's gonna cover whole screen. And we're gonna say display flex, uh, justify content center, and we're gonna align the item center so that our loader is on the center of the screen. Now it's only showing us the loading animation, but we are not seeing the content of the page. So we only want to see this loading animation whenever our page is loading, not when our page is fully loaded. So for that we're gonna use some JavaScript, and I think we will do we'll write JavaScript in separate file. So let's just create a script tag with source, and yeah, we'll have something here, uh, and yeah, just close the tag, and we'll have a script.js file. So let's just create a script.js file up here, and in here what we are going to do is we have this file right here, right? So this is our content. All right, this is our content. So let's wrap this content in one section tag. All right, so let's just wrap this content in a section tab, and yep, let's give it a id of like content. So we have our we are gonna give the content, and here we are gonna create two variables. For one is for loader and one is for content. So const loader is equals to, so basically we are going to use just take this class. not the loader one, but the loader wrapper class. So document.query selector, not the loader, this is the loader wrapper, because we're gonna perform some actions on loader, not the loader wrapper, sorry, not on the loader. We are not only removing this loading animation but also the white background that's just wrapping the loading animation. So let's just have some content over here, and yeah, document.query selector, it will be hashtag because this is a id. And now let's just see, so wait for the page to load first. That's just what we are gonna we're checking. And windows on load, we're gonna say this. So we are gonna remove the loader. So loader means this is a loader wrapper. We are gonna say display none, and content style display block. Yeah, so uh, uh, so you can see the loader is just visible for fraction of seconds here. So to make this, like, so let's just create this a function, right? So let's just make it a function. So loading, and we're gonna I'm gonna show you with this windows that's we are gonna create later, but let's just use some set timeout property, set timeout. And in here we're gonna run the loading. So it's not loading, we are gonna say loaded. So we are gonna execute the loaded function after 3 seconds. So let's just say, yeah, 1 2 3, and boom, the loading animation is being shown for 3 seconds. So it's being correctly implemented, we can see. So in here we are gonna show this load, or we are gonna execute this loaded function after the page has been loaded. So this is how it works. So this is it, and this is how you implement a loading animation or loader on your website, which is also functional. We can say the loading animation up here, and whenever you have like a slow internet connection, it will show the loading animation after a little longer time. So this is how you implement the loading animation, and I'm signing up from this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.